Hi, we're excited to introduce the PD-25 Auto Handy with auto feed. It's a perfect tool for sinks, tubs, laundry drains, 1.25 to 3 inches in diameter, up to 50 feet long. The great thing about the PD-25 Auto Handy is it is both a hand tool and a power tool. To use it as a hand tool, pick it up, and using the handle in the back and squeezing the lever on the auto feed, we can bring the cable back or out. This makes it very easy to clean the drain. You don't have to touch the cable. You can control the cable better. It makes it much more effective. So if you want to use it as a power tool, then you just unscrew the handle on the back, exposing the spindle. Using a 3/8 or 1/2 inch drill, just attach the drill and go to work. So when you're ready to actually go to work, take about 6 inches of the cable outside of the machine, put it into the pipe that you're going to work on, keep the feed control close to the pipe, squeeze the feed control lever, and slowly start the drill. Bring the cable back, just reverse the drill direction. If you choose to use a cordless drill, then we have a few suggestions. First of all, put it on low speed. Second of all, on the clutch setting, put it on direct drill. Thirdly, don't exceed 500 RPM. And lastly, go slow on the acceleration and deceleration. Now, the greatest thing for a professional about this tool is that it uses our left-hand wound Flexicore cable, which is professional grade and the toughest cable down the line. It'll hold up better and allow you to do more work than any other cable being used out there, especially cables and hand tools like this. Most of the hand tools use right-hand wound cable, which actually weaken when under torque. So PD-25 Auto Handy has Flexicore cable, and it's in a drum that was specifically made for, engineered for. It's polyurethane, and it's the toughest drum on the market. We've actually drop tested it from 8 feet, and it survived with flying colors. With all these features, the PD-25 Auto Handy is head and shoulders above the competition. For more information, call the Drain Brains at 800-245-6200 or visit our website, drainbrain.com. General Pipe Cleaners, the toughest tools down the line.